Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akinusi. I'm here to explain how to set up a DSTV, the latest model of DSTV decoder. So I want to unbox it. So you have the decoder inside the pack. You have your quick startup. Here you have all you need to know about my DSTV app. The one place. What is inside the box? The different package that MultiChoice have, the premium compact, compact plus, family access. In Nigeria we have Yanga, we have confirm. Different country with each of their code. We have what we have in the panel for your record. You can keep this, put your information there, and we have all the legal details binding your relationship with MultiChoice Nigeria. After that, we have the other quick setup where you have your DSTV as well and all other details. After that, you have your remote guide. The remote that comes with this type of decoder is B8 model remote. I'll still show you the B8 model remote with that. This is how it looks like. So the next thing, let me box it. We have this is our receiver. Let me block the serial number of the receiver. So this is how it looks like. This is what we call 9S receiver. This is the latest that MultiChoice have. You have your AV to jack. We normally call this AV to jack. Some people normally call it 3 to 1 pin because it has the yellow represents your video, the white represents your left audio, while the red represents your right audio, and we have the jack, the converter jack. Then it comes with an HDMI, it comes with a remote, and the type of remote that it comes with is the B8 remote. The B8 series remote, which is the latest remote. Yeah. So the next thing, it comes with a battery. I'll remove this. This is the sticker that comes with a factory remote, except you are buying the one from countries that I don't want to mention their names. So you put it here like this, cover it up, unbox it. Because this is an hotel setup, I'm using it with HDMI. What we are having here is what we call MDU, where each room in the hotel has its own decoder. We have our power supply unit, and the power supply is normally 12 volts, 1.5 amps, and 18 watts. 12 volts, 1.5 watts, amps, and it comes with what we call this medium pin mount. That's what we normally call it in this environment in Nigeria. It's called medium pin mount, meaning that if you put the small pin, it will not enter. If you put the larger pin to enter, and this one comes in like your AV comes to the AV port here, but because we're not using the AV setup, we have our HDMI and the signal, the cable coming from the dish. We have it here. Coming here. Later, I will show you the signal outside, so I need to tile it up. So after this, I'll plug it to my power supply, and it's 220 volt power. It's 220 volt power, so I'm plugging it to my power supply. What we set up in this hotel is wireless intercom. So you need wireless intercom. I'll talk about that one later. So I will need to put on the TV screen. After putting on the TV screen, use a Royal TV. I'll put it on now. So because it's starting off for the first time on your screen, what you are going to have is this type of decoder. Use a Wisdom Share Smart Cloud TV firmware. So it's loading now. And you notice on your DSTV it's a change from red to orange now to blue. So on the screen now, can you see showing DSTV loading? So it's now some decoder it will be blue, some it will be green, but for this series of decoder, which is 9S series, show from to blue. So it takes you to the welcome wizard. So on the welcome wizard, you select English. So I select English, I press OK. If you are in East Africa, South Africa, or Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Switzerland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, there they use IS-20. That's the satellite subname that they use. But in Nigeria, we use E36B. So in other countries apart from the earlier mentioned one, I press OK. So under your setup, you have step 3 of 5. You have the quick and the manual. Because you're installing for the first time, I need to pick manual setup. So you will notice that it's on unique cable because I'm not setting up DSTV Explorer or Smart or LMB system, or I'm using what we call extra view. Why I need to change it, I would need to change the LMB type from unique. I need to change it to universal. So I've changed it to universal now. The signal will come up here. After the signal comes up, I will scan. The signal level is not enough. That's why it's saying I need to scan. You ensure that your two signals are green, both the tuner 1 and tuner 2. If you don't know much about tuner 1 and tuner 2, go and watch our videos on satellite theory training. So I'll come down to scan. I'll press scan, press OK on scan. So the decoder will start scanning. It starts from 0000. So it's go and scan all the available transponder for multi-choice signal. So now you can see we have it on channel 100. Meaning that there's no subscription. I'll put it on 157. So after putting it on 157, you have your decoder number here. I don't want the decoder number to be available for everybody. So the next thing I need to do now is I need to make a call to the contact center to make a subscription on it. So I have different ways of making subscription on it. Because I run a multi-choice branded store, I have a birthday box from multi-choice Nigeria that I use. So this decoder is not working perfectly well. So if we have MDU, can you see this hotel the rings? If you have MDU job, that is multi-dwelling unit job. That you have multiple decoders in different, you can call on us. Business package, you can call on us. My phone number for people within Nigeria is 080-380-15711. And for those outside Nigeria, you can call +234 80-380-15711. Again, +234 80-380-15711. You can chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram, and you can reach me on my YouTube channel at Installer Paul, on Facebook Akinlusi Paul Akinlolua, on Instagram Akinlusi Paul Akinlolua, on Twitter at Paul Akinlusi. Thank you very much and remain blessed.